Celery. People either take it or they leave it. I'm Carrie with the Food Channel, and I've got a recipe that everyone's gonna love. Follow me.
Parmesan celery salad. To make the dressing, start by combining fresh minced shallots with the lemon zest, lemon juice, anchovy paste, Dijon mustard, celery seed, and celery salt. Then slowly pour in your olive oil and whisk until it becomes incorporated. Season with fresh cracked pepper. Next, thinly slice the celery on the bias. Chop up the celery leaves. Squeeze a little bit more lemon juice and add a pinch of kosher salt. Simply pour on the dressing and toss. Throw in some toasted walnuts, fresh chopped parsley, and shaved Parmesan right before you serve.
It's crunchy, it's craveable, and it's great any time of the year. Now get in the kitchen.